Is the recording okay? Now, a lot of people will be looking for project topics. I can tell someone, I can tell ChatGPT to write a project, write 10 MSc, write MSc, 10 MSc topics for a Nigerian, on economy. Now, somebody wants a project topics on economy. Now, I can tell ChatGPT to write topics for Nigerian, on economy, MSc topic, PhD topics. Now, some of us that doesn't have business idea, as I'm saying this, you have to be writing it down. All these are services that you can do combined together. Somebody want to write a Facebook ad copy, you write that one, you get like a guy that I told you I taught. The guy is getting money via it. The first contract was $100 to write just a simple stuff. Like this one now, I help a lot of people to do this online. That's one of the digital services that I do. Then when I click on this, ChatGPT will tell you, sure, I can write topics. Now, people, students, undergraduate, postgraduate, globally, people are looking for topics to research on. Now, you continually have people that will be telling you they want topics. Let's not say you are charging people for 10 topics, you are charging people 3,000. You just copy this, send it to them on WhatsApp. Are we getting value? Or mute yourself if you want me to continue.
Please continue. We are getting value.
Yeah.
I am rich. Already, I'm making money already.
Now, for people looking for topics, I do this as side business, what people call side hustle. I'll just play with my system, then run adverts, and people will start paying you. People will just transfer. Let's say you're not charging 2,000 for a topic, for 10 topics. All these are topics that are researchable. Then when you now give it to a client and you collect 2,000, if there's probability, if you run hard and you are ready for it, for you to do 5 per day, that is 10,000. That is in a month. Doing only this, not Facebook ad. You are not doing Facebook ad now. You're just helping someone to get project topics. Doing this, you can earn up to 300,000. Running Facebook, help people to write hard copy on Facebook. That one, you can charge any amount. You can charge 50K, you can charge 20K, you can charge 5K. Depends on you. Now, let's say you are charging 20K now. And let's say you are even charging 5K. And you're doing like 1 per day. You'll be doing like 150K. 150K plus 300K of the project topics. That is 450. And that's how people make money online. Then if you now have your own physical product, it doesn't still stop you. You have set your product on seller and people are making order there, you are delivering to them. Before you know, under a minute, you're generating 2,000 with AI. Type value if we are progressing. Type value if we are progressing. Okay, thank you. Now, let me now go to copywriting is what I'm taking today under digital content. Then the first point is you can write a copy with AI. That's number one. Number two is you can use Facebook ad library. Look at the way people design their stuff. You also come up with a concept. Then the third point on how to write copy is what I call, prompt engineering. Prompt engineering. AI prompt engineering. AI prompt engineering. You can type it on the WhatsApp chat to know if you're right. Prompt. AI prompt engineering. AI prompt engineering. Type it on the WhatsApp chat. AI prompt engineering. AI prompt engineering. AI prompt engineering. AI prompt engineering. Thank you. Thank you. AI prompt engineering. I want to. Now, some of the resources I'm going to give you, it will be very hard for you. That's why this, after each class I'm taking you, just go to DM of Dr. Yemisi, or if you're on the central WhatsApp group, to appreciate the Life Fund team for this opportunity. Because most time I'm a busy person, but I just want to give, support on this training. Now, I'm looking for, I have a prompt resources I want to give us. Okay. Now, prompt. I have a prompt. Okay. One, I will drop it on the chat group. I'll drop it there. I'll drop it on the chat group. Then this prompt engineering, I give you permission to sell it if you want to sell it. Hello? Are we not happy?
Thank you, sir.
Yes, we are with you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Hi,
sir. Thank you, sir.
I give you permission to sell it.
Thank you, sir.
Now, that's prompt engineering. Most people are selling that also as digital products online. And you can sell that to any amount you want to sell it, maybe 2,000. Now, what's the prompt engineering doing? You just do a small video on the way I explain it to you now. Let's say I click on the prompt engineering. Now, these are captions that when you use the caption, the AI will give you a solid result if you use this caption. That's why somebody may want you to help them to write now this tools here is more than 3,800 captions. Now, these are powerful captions that when you use 222 powerful personnel to use with ChatGPT. Now we have copywriting. If you want to do copywriting for a company, there's a way that when you put the words, the AI, AI is programmed, is a robot. If you use the right word, it gives you the right answer. But let me look for if I can get something on, email marketing. Like a company can come to you now and said, can you help us to write email copy? What they mean is, when a sales letter that they will send to an organization, when somebody signs into their advert, that email will be sent automatically. It will be in an automation. If time permits, all these I want to show you, they are not hard. Now, but you want to get job now as a copywriter, email copy.
After the class, I think after the class, you put everything on WhatsApp, just the way we did the first class.
Are you hearing me?
We don't know where you guys are before. We didn't know the class has started. So if we continue now, we don't know where he is presently.
What class is that?
The class started by 11. It was posted earlier.
Are you with me?
Yes, sir. Yes, we are with, sir.
Now, where are we now? We are discussing prompt engineering. We are discussing prompt engineering. These are classes that
sir.
Please, let's hold on for him. I guess the network.
I'm back.
Hello.
Hello, yes, are you hearing me?
Yes, but sir, I hope the materials will be available on the WhatsApp page because some people are just joining and the
Okay.
network is not friendly today.
Okay, no problem. But at least you are hearing me.
Yes, we are hearing now.
Now, what you do is, let me move my internet very close to me under 10. Are you hearing me?
Yes, sir. We are hearing you now.
We can
Okay,
hear you now.
Yes, I hear you.
Now, on prompt
Yes, sir.
engineering. Now, on prompt engineering, let me share my screen again. Then let's mute ourselves. Mute all. Now, when you click on the link, on the, I think the link has opened. Where's the link again? Okay, I've redropped the link. Once you click on the link, it's going to give you captions. This is the link. It's going to give you captions that you can use, and the AI will be able to generate solid content to aid your marketing. Or some companies will employ you to help them to write copy. Now let me come to, for example, okay, I want to use example of email marketing prompt. That is, once you use this caption now, it's going to write a caption that is good for email marketing. That when somebody sees it, is ready. Let's say someone signing to a school in the United Kingdom, and an email copy will be sent to you. Those email copy are some of the jobs Nigerian guys are doing, even here, that they write copy for a university abroad. They write, some can be 50 copies. Oh, the person just show interest. There'll be a copy that will follow up, tell them the, importance of education for you to have university education in United Kingdom, and so on and so forth, benefit of that school. Now, you will write that copy for any of your clients. Let's see example of email copy. Let me look for e-commerce because I know most of us, we are more into product. Okay, this is e-commerce. Let me use e-commerce. People that want to sell a product. Now, my e-commerce store, this is a caption. This one caption now. This one caption. You just copy it. You have many of them that you can use. And your copy, let's say you are not managing and handle for an e-commerce store, you will have something to write every time. And I'll go to ChatGPT. Where's my ChatGPT? Okay, this ChatGPT. I've copied one caption. I have almost 3,800 there. Now, my e-commerce store is describe your store. Then, e.g., the niche that your store is into. Let's say, okay, my e-commerce store. Let me use my wife's store. I sell. General merchant. Okay, niche. You can put the niche here. Let's say, okay, I sell. The niche of the store, selling a beautiful product. Let me say the selling ICT selling laptops. You just edit one or two things. The name of my store. The name of my store. I'll put the name of the store here. My targeted audience, they are students. Then male or female. Female. Now, the 25 to 35 is the age range. Then our selling product is described as, okay, describe your product. Now, please confirm you understand what my store sells and who it will help. Now, once you drop this, you're telling AI to confirm whether you understand. Yes, you said, you see, okay, he said he understand, you know, what, okay. I can answer, right? It's because of our time that I'm rushing. Write a copy for me. Write a Facebook copy, add copy for me. Now, the here already know. Now, see this now for student and this and that and that. Let me go up so we can see. The introduction will really encourage somebody to click on the heart. Now, hey there, all you surveys shoppers, get ready to elevate your retail therapy with iSell General Merchant, your one-stop destination for the best deals on a worldwide array of products, unbeatable selections, can use irresistible deals for students, by students, the joy of convenience, you wrote a lot. Now, these are some of the things you will be needing before we run advert. But apart from you using this for your product or your service, these are services that you sell online if you don't have any digital service to do. Now I'm already introducing you to copyright. Are we learning? Are we getting value here? You can unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No value.
Okay. Then finally today, we'll be discussing. Now we are on copywriting. Then finally today, we'll be discussing on the third point. The first point on copywriting is you can use AI. The second one is you can use ad library. Check what people are doing in that niche. You also can come up with a concept. Then third is you can use prompt engineering. Fourth is using marketing mix. Marketing mix. Marketing mix is marketing strategy. It's called MIX. Marketing mix. Marketing mix. If you are there, you can type marketing mix to know if you're getting it right. Marketing mix. Okay, yeah, good. Now, there's what we call 4 P's of marketing mix. 4 P's of marketing mix. Now, 4 P's of marketing mix. Okay, I'm okay with that. Thank you, everyone. Now, 4 P's of marketing means there are 4 P's. Now, the first P is product. The second P is price. The third P is promotion. The fourth P is placement. The first P is product. The second P is price. The third is promotion. The fourth is placement. Now, thank you. Someone have typed it. Product, price, promote, and placement. Now, when you want, you can use marketing means to write a copy. Now, the first thing is you will introduce the product to people. You introduce the product. Then people need to know about the product first. You can't just say, okay, some people will write a copy and the copy will not sell. The copy will come and buy what I'm selling. What are you selling? We don't know your product. Now, what is the product? Like now, I'm not telling parents to come and register for computer training for their kids, ICT training. I'm telling them the need for their kids to be ICT compliant. Now, when people see the need for something, they will bring money out. Now, you may be selling, you may be selling beauty product, but you may not say, okay, come and buy, I'm selling one beauty product. No, you can say, okay, they need to look good to the next event. ChatGPT right from it, or any AI that you're using. Now, the prompt engineering link that I've given to you is having, I think, almost 100 AI tools that you can use to generate content and to generate money. If you listen to what I'm taking in this class, an average of us will be doing well, be generating good income for ourselves, and be pushing our brand forward with no stress. Even you have to be hiding from, once you run advert, we'll come to that, how to run advert. Now, how do you write copy? We said you can use, first is AI. Second is Facebook ad library. Third is prompt engineering. Fourth is marketing mix. Now, when you want to write, you need to introduce your product. You introduce the product. Oh, this product is, my alata. This is one of the best delicious food in Africa. Once you just put that down to an AI, it will write it more comprehensive for you. Then price, you now put a price. Though we are selling this product at, 500 Naira, but because we are doing August 1st promo, if you place your order now, then we'll give you so percentage of discount. That is promotion. I've gotten to promotion now from product, introducing Meme Alata to, the price. We're selling it 500, but if you place your order today, you get so discount of 100 Naira. That is promotion. Then finally, you will now talk about placement. How will they get it? Oh, we'll deliver to your store. We do this and that. You must show the client direction. If you now say, okay, order the product, how will it be delivered? You need to, because this is online. Will they get it? Will they buy what they call a logistic person, call them? Now you need to talk about the placement. Will they come to your store to pick it? All those are things that you need to do in a marketing maze. Now, using marketing maze, you can write a copy. Using prompt engineering, you can write a copy better. And in prompt engineering, study it very well. And on YouTube, sit down, check how to make money with ChatGPT or ChatGPT prompt. And then follow the prompt that I give you. Then you see that you do good. You do a lot of service. For this service now, you cannot make money much because you don't know how to run ad effectively. We'll now be talking about ad. Please don't miss any class I'm taking.
I'm sorry, sir. There's something about YouTube GPT, right?
Yeah, on YouTube, you can go to YouTube, then When you get to YouTube, check how to generate money with ChatGPT or any AI. Now, then some of those AI, you can use them to help people to write LinkedIn profile. People just want to write. Once you start making the advert, people will tell you to write anything. There's a guy, you know, he DM me, said they want me to help him to write something that is going to fill in his logbook. That's an undergraduate student. People are ready to pay you 50K for simple things. They don't know how to do it. And I told ChatGPT, I've not done it before. I told ChatGPT, okay, help me to do this. All these are my own personal business. Leave Softrace Information Technology Hub. And so when you know this skill, even if your staff said they are no more coming to workplace, they are just doing themselves. And when people know they are doing themselves, they will not misbehave because they know God is helping you, you are surviving on the skills that you also. Are we getting value? Are we getting value in this training?
Yes, sir. Getting value, sir.
Okay.
Please, sir.
Okay, now this is where we're going to stop today. If you have any question you can ask.
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay.
My question is with regards to the last assignment. So I did the assignment. Can you hear me, sir?
Yeah, I'm hearing you.
So I did the assignment, and when I sign up on that seller, I was having 3 options to plug myself. Am I a creator? Is it for, am I doing it for other businesses? So I went for one of it. So, but I want to also look for a kind of embodiment. I have series of businesses. So I want to cover everything in one page. Can I open another one and have a kind of overview that, meaning that page will be covering for many products and many businesses, just one page?
You know, okay, thank you. On Seller, you can create as many as possible product page. You can add several products, but if the product is not in the same direction, for example, now you are selling agricultural product, and at the same time you are selling laptop. We can't put all of them in the same, agricultural product. Related products can be on the same page. But if you are having different business idea, then you can create another account. But the account can still be paying to the same account, at the same bank account. You put the same bank account, you can use the same bank account. But you can create one account for agricultural products and create another one for selling laptops. But all the money will be moving to the same GTB account that you are using. Or if you want to use the same bank account, there are different bank accounts, is fine. I think, Mr. Gani, you have answered you.
Yes, the second question, sir, with the rating on, does it have to do with algorithm, that ChatGPT, using it and the algorithm, will it rate it high, or there's a way we have to do it that will make it not have issue? And the issue of plagiarism, like the copy generated with AI.
Okay.
And using it for your, maybe like ad, or you are using it for your content, will it have a very, so though it will be catchy to people, but what of the rating in, is there anything like that that will make it?
It doesn't affect your rating. Okay. You understand? There is no, when it comes to business, you understand? AI is generating for you. Is AI that is the algorithm. Algorithm, even AI know what Facebook algorithm need better. Then you have more results because it's AI and you have more let me mute this person. Now you have more result. It doesn't affect you. Where you can is when you use AI to generate what they call it, academics, journals and theses and those one, they will check plagiarism test. But in the business place, in digital marketing, if you use AI, that's the purpose of designing the AI, to be able to aid ChatGPT is designed for that purpose, to be able to aid digital marketers to write copy. Then they will not play on any plagiarism stuff. It will write a copy for you excellently. Even several complain now that if you want to sign in and work remotely with them, they will tell you that okay, they can, yeah.
Yes, I think on the Facebook ad library, when you copy and you want to paste, well, after pasting, one can edit the copyright, right?
Once you rewrite it, you know, it doesn't affect you.
But what can one edit it? Because
You edit
I
it. You edit it. Put your details first. Put your complaint details
all
first.
right. Okay, all right.
Complaint details before you said you should rewrite. And once you rewrite,
All right.
it's your own copy now.
Okay, all right. Thank you.
You get it. You use ad library to get a concept. Even if you may not copy that one, use that one to get a concept of what people are doing. Okay, you are working for several things. Your brain may not be able to write into medical if you're not into medical. Your brain may not be able to write into you know, supplement. People want you to at the same time write into real estate. You will need AI to do that.
Thank you, sir.
Another question.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Thank you
sir.
for
Yes, sir.
Okay.
so please. I think my own GPT did not put any image on the writing it wrote for me. I don't know what because I'm seeing images on, and even this one you put there are images on it
Okay.
on the top.
Okay, what you do is just go to ChatGPT, go to YouTube, watch more on how to use ChatGPT. Then the prompt I'll send to you. Go through the prompt also. If you don't put Facebook ad library, if you just write a copy for me, and you're not telling ChatGPT to write Facebook ad copy, there may not be image in your writings. You must put Facebook ad copy. Then, Mr. Francis, ask your question in WhatsApp group. This time will time out now. No, Francis, drop your question on WhatsApp group. Then every other person that have question, drop it on WhatsApp group. I will drop a voice note. Thank you everyone for today's class. This is where we're going to stop.
Okay, sir.
Because of our
Yes, sir.
Zoom, we are not using paper.
Thank you, sir. Right.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. I will drop the
God bless
assignment.
you.
The assignment we're going to do, I will drop it for us. Thank you, everyone.
On WhatsApp. Thank you,
On
sir.
WhatsApp, yeah.
All right. Enjoy the rest of the day, sir.
Bye, everyone.
Hello, class. Hello.